Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing another song from the Loveworld camp. You Rain. You Rain. So the song was being done in a key of G. Alright, so if this is the first time you're watching any of my videos, I would love for you to subscribe so that whenever I post a video you can be notified. Secondly, I do videos for total beginners and intermediate level players so that they'll be able to play songs when they hear them with the simple chords they know. So I put together about 53 videos for beginners, and they are in the description box of this video, so you can go to the description box, click on the link, and if you don't know or understand any of the keys, you can start learning them from scratch so you become perfect in them. So I'm going to play the song, a little part of the song, so that we delve into it and then start learning it. So stay tuned.
We sing praises to your majesty. Oh, King of glory, you reign supreme.
Alright, so with the intro we can do something simple like alright. The intro, you can play something simple as this, right? So then the song starts on the chord 5 because we already in chord 1. From the 5, move to 4. Then in moving to 1, they did a 6/7 passing. So chord 6. You come like this. That's chord 7. You play a 7 and then a 5 on the right. Sing praises to then you move to a chord 3. So this is your 3, and then to a 6, to a 5. Now you play the 5 some minutes back like this, but this time around you're suspending the 5 instead of this way. You suspend it, alright? So it's a sus2 in the key of, right? So it's a sus2, not do a 2. King of glory, you reign supreme. To the 2 again. One and only Savior, soon coming King. Do this. How great. Chord 1 is our God. Chord 5, worthy is your name. Chord 4, worthy is your name. Chord 5, you reign. Chord 1, ta-da-da-da. Chord 5, worthy is your name. How great you are. Alright, so when you finish with that part, then there's another part. You reign in majesty. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. King of glory. So 1, 5, 4, 5. On that same progression gets to a point, they play a 6 to a 7, then to 4, back to 5. Now that progression, they play 1, 5, 4, 5. Now instead of the 1, they will play 6. Instead of the 5, they play 7. But from there, you move back to the 4 and then the 5. So let me play the song and follow along.
One and only Savior, soon coming King. How great is our God! Worthy is your name. Worthy is your name. You reign
couple of times. They do a 6, a 7, back to 4, and then 5. So the chords of the song revolve around chord 1, chord 5, chord 4, chord 6, chord 7, and that is it. So thank you for watching, and I pray the tutorial is able to help you learn the song, and God bless you for being a part of this channel. Bye bye.